how to activate your Peacock TV and subscribe to the premium version. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from How to Geek. In this card video, I will show you the way on how you can actually activate the Peacock TV app. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, to make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. So first things first, simply make sure that you have either downloaded or updated the Peacock TV app to the latest version. You can do this by heading over to your app store. In the search box, go ahead and type in Peacock TV and simply make sure to update the app to the latest version. And once you've updated the app, you just want to go over and then open up the Peacock TV application. Next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. And there are basically three types of account on Peacock TV. The first is the free account, the second is the premium account, and the third is the premium plus account. So there are differences between all these. So first of all, we'll just go ahead and sign into our account. If you have a free account, you'll only be able to watch some of the free shows online. If you have a premium account, you can watch some of the premium shows. But if you have a premium plus account, then the benefit is that you'll also be able to download shows which are actually premium and not available even in the premium version. So there are basically the free version, the premium, and the premium plus. And in order to activate it, you have to subscribe to either one of these premium plans. And in order to do that, what you have to do is on the very top right corner, simply go ahead and tap on your profile icon, which you see. Once you tap on the profile icon, you have to go ahead and then tap on the option which says account. So go ahead and then select account. As soon as you select account, you can see it says plans and payments. So currently I'm on the Peacock free version. Your favorite shows and movies, exclusive Peacock channels, live news, sports, and kids shows, and you can see $0.00 a month. But if you want to subscribe to Peacock TV Premium, as you can see $4.99 a month, the feature actually includes an all access pass to everything Peacock has to offer, every movie, every episode, every season, all our live sports, more to watch, more to binge, and more to love. So you can just go ahead and upgrade it. If you look at the Peacock Premium Plus version, then it's basically $10 a month, and which says upgrade to get everything included in Peacock Premium plus ad-free, streaming out the ability to download select titles to your mobile device. Peacock channels, events, and a few shows and movies will actually still contain ads. So basically, go ahead and see if you like to download it, and then you have to watch it whenever you're offline, then you could go ahead and choose the premium plus plan. So if I basically just tap on the upgrade button over here, you have to actually add a PayPal account. So basically what you could do is, if you have a gift card, then you could also go ahead and redeem the code. If you have balance on a debit or credit card to your Google Play or Google Pay, then you could go ahead and add it in that way. Or if you want, then you could add a PayPal account, but you have the offer ones over here. You can still get a $10 reward from PayPal after your first purchase on Google Play of $5 or more. So go ahead and tap on the add PayPal account button. You basically just need to log into your PayPal email addresses and number and go ahead and log into your account. Or else you could just go ahead and select any of the other payment methods, such as adding a debit or credit card, and then subscribe to the premium version in that way. And this is how you could very easily activate the premium subscription for Peacock TV. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.